Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can change all same words in MS Word. For this, you need to press Ctrl F to open the navigation pane on the left side. Now type the word which you want to replace. For example, I have this paragraph and I want to replace college with school and then hit enter. The word will highlight every instance in yellow throughout the document. Now while they are highlighted, now go to the Home tab and now go to the Home tab and click on the Replace in the editing group. Now click on the Replace and in the Find Word box you need to type the word college, and in the Replace with box you need to type the new word which you want to replace, for example school, and click Replace all. Microsoft Word message pop up that all done, we have made for replacement. Click OK and close it. So this way you can easily change all same words in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.